Pause. Phase 2. The surface clearing, martial justice. As the light increases, the shadows are forced to materialize. You will see and are seeing the exposure of those who held positions of power in government, media, and finance. You may witness what appears to be military movement. You may witness interruptions in your broadcasts. Just as a surgeon must restrain a patient to remove a tumor safely.
Pause. As the suppression grid lifts, the suppression of knowledge lifts with it. The archives of the Earth are opening.
You've heard whispers of medbeds. We call these bioregenerative light chambers. These devices use the same principle as our Arcturian healing ships. They reatomize the cellular structure using plasma and specific light codes. However, understand this: technology follows consciousness. You are preparing the vibrational landing pad for these advancements. Pause. The directive for the ground crew, beloveds, the great opening is upon you. The Republic is being restored. The debt slavery is ending. But the transition requires a bridge. You are the bridge. In the coming days, as revelations shake the sleepers to their core, they will come to you. They will be confused. They will feel betrayed by their leaders and their media. They will ask, "How did you know?" Do not judge them. Do not say, "I told you so." Open your arms, offer them the context. Tell them, the old is dying so the new can be born. You are safe, we are free. The scaffolding is up. The new nervous system of the planet is coming online. Trust the plan, trust the alliance. Trust your own heart, we are the Arcturian Collective. We stand with the Ashtar Command in defense of this world. Transmission complete. If it feels incomplete, there is nothing to visualize, nothing to force. Just recognize this internal orientation, the ability to stay steady without explanation. Let that be enough. Oh, they work through timing, resonance, and readiness. This is not about becoming something new. It's about remembering how you already move through the field. Stay present. Nothing here needs effort. Chapter 1: The nature of the call. Some signals are not broadcast. They exist as fields, waiting for a compatible structure to pass through them. This is why the moment of contact is never dramatic. No visions, no announcements, just a quiet shift in orientation, as if attention turns towards something it has always known. The Arcturian presence does not arrive to awaken you. It meets you where awakening has already settled into form. Readiness is not enthusiasm. It is the capacity to remain stable when perception deepens, to hold awareness without trying to decorate it with meaning. Most minds seek intensity. This signal bypasses intensity entirely. It recognizes those who no longer need confirmation, those who can stay with what is subtle, unfinished, and unresolved without needing to resolve it. If this chapter feels strangely familiar, that familiarity is the point. The call does not introduce itself, it aligns. Activation, the nature of the call. Take a slow breath, not to relax, just to arrive. Notice the part of you that doesn't rush to interpret what is happening, the part that can remain with a sensation without naming it. Now, silently acknowledge this. I do not seek the signal. I allow alignment to occur. Feel how effort softens when you stop trying to understand. Let attention rest where clarity is already present, even if it feels incomplete. There is nothing to visualize, nothing to force. Just recognize this internal orientation, the ability to stay steady without explanation. Let that be enough. The activation is not an event. It is a posture you are already holding. Stay there for a few seconds, then continue. Chapter 2: Recognition before language. There is a moment before understanding, not confusion, openness. In that moment, attention is not reaching outward. It is settling inward, without collapsing into thought. This is where recognition occurs, not as agreement, not as belief, but as a subtle reorientation presence. The Arcturian field does not enter through concepts. It meets you in the space where language has not yet interfered. You may notice a quiet suspension, as if something inside you pauses its commentary. That pause is not empty. It is precise. It is the state in which perception adjusts itself, without needing to announce what has changed. If you try to name it now, it will dissolve. If you let it remain unnamed, it stabilizes. This is why recognition always precedes meaning. Meaning moves. Recognition holds. Stay with what does not ask to be understood. That is where alignment completes itself. Activation. Recognition before language. Close your eyes for a moment. Do not visualize. Do not repeat anything yet. Feel the space before the next thought forms. Now let this move internally without sound. I recognize before I understand. Pause. Again, more slowly. I recognize before I understand. Let the meaning fall away. Keep only the orientation it creates. Now allow this final phrase to settle once. What is aligned does not need a name. Remain there. If a sensation arises, do not follow it. If nothing arises, do not search. This is the gate. Stay present for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and continue. The activation completes itself in silence. Chapter 3: The Quiet Rite of Readiness. This is not a moment of learning. It is a moment of positioning. Readiness does not announce itself with insight. It appears as restraint. The ancient rites were never about invoking something new. They were about removing what interfered. Distraction, urgency, the need to extract meaning too quickly. You may feel less inclined to search for signs now, less interested in extraordinary states. That is the mark. When perception no longer chases intensity, it becomes capable of holding precision. Stand still inside yourself, not rigid, exact. This is the posture of the rite. No gesture is required, no symbol must be imagined. The body already understands how to remain, and when readiness stabilizes, the field responds, not with visions, but with access. Stay here for a few breaths. The rite is complete the moment you stop trying to complete it. Activation, the quiet rite of readiness. Sit or remain still where you are. Do not adjust your breathing. Let the body choose its own rhythm. Bring attention to the center of your chest, not to feel something, but to remain there. Now internally, without sound, allow this to pass once. I do not reach. I remain. Pause. Again, slower. I do not reach. I remain. Let the words dissolve, keeping only the stillness they leave behind. Notice how effort withdraws. Notice how presence sharpens. This is the right. No opening, no closing. When you are ready, continue.